Welcome back. Donald Trump's legal team is facing a new deadline today in federal court.
Prosecutors are trying to limit what the former president can say about his election interference case. Doug Luzader has more from Washington, D.C.
The Trump legal team will argue that their client has a right to talk about the many charges that he now faces, and the former president is turning his indictments into a rallying cry.
Our enemies want to stop us because we are the only ones who can stop them. We're the only ones.
Former President Trump on the campaign trail over the weekend and on the attack on his social media site. He called the prosecutor in his latest indictment, Jack Smith, deranged. Said he won't get a fair trial with federal judge Tanya Chutkan. Everyone knows this, he wrote, and so does she. Now prosecutors want the judge to set limits on what Trump can say about the case. His defense team will submit their own arguments today.
What the Biden administration wants to do is deny all Americans the opportunity to learn non-sensitive information about what the case involves in a political season.
Trump also went after his former vice president, Mike Pence, who had resisted his efforts to block congressional certification of the 2020 election. Pence is now a Trump rival for the 2024 GOP nomination and a central figure in the case against him.
President Trump was wrong then, and he's wrong now. I had no right to overturn the election.
And Trump, meantime, waits for the next shoe to drop, a possible fourth criminal indictment in the state of Georgia over his efforts to overturn the election there.
We need one more indictment to close out this election. One more indictment, and this election is closed out. Nobody has even a chance.
And the Trump legal team is anticipating that Georgia indictment could come any day now. In Washington, Doug Luzader, Fox News.